Hi folks, Alena.Marchant here, the insurance chick with another YouTube video. This time it's on Manhattan Life's accidental indemnity plan. This plan is really great for self-employed folks or even folks that might be on state health insurance or have an ACA plan. It gives you that extra protection so that your bills are going to get paid. You're not going to go into debt. Perfect for self-employed individuals, perfect for people like me a long time ago that trained horses and thought health insurance was something I couldn't afford. Now, I will tell you, I do have a health insurance plan on myself. However, I got Manhattan Life's accident plan because I do ride horses. I barrel race, I do cow stuff, I do all kinds of stuff. Now, this is my card to show you proof that I have this plan. It's just an accident plan. I pay 26 bucks a month and I'm only 36. So that makes a little bit of a difference. But what's great about Manhattan Life is that once you start the plan, you're actually locked in. So I will pay $26 a month until I'm age 70 and have the same benefits. Pretty freaking awesome. Okay, so accidental death benefits, ICU benefits, emergency room treatment benefits, the optional wellness rider we're going to talk about, and then the disability income rider. Let's go ahead and get down to it. All right, did you know that 1 in 4 20-year-olds are out of work because of an accident? That's right, and 2.8 million non-fatal workplace injuries happen yearly. That's a whole lot of injuries. This plan is designed to help you cover some of those costs, whether you have insurance or don't have health insurance. This will help you pay some of those bills. Now, this optional annual wellness benefit rider. This is really cool for truck drivers that have to go into the hospital or, doctor's office to get their annual physical for their CDL. It pays $60 towards that annual physical, and it's $3 a month. $3, okay? It's huge. And you get all these services: dental exams, mammograms, pap smears, eye exams, immunizations, ultrasounds, blood screening tests, you name it, it's there. The disability income rider, there's two benefits amounts, $1,000 and $2,000. This pays $1,000 per month or $2,000 per month, up to 60% of your monthly income. The elimination period means it's 14 days after a covered accident or 30 days after a covered accident, and it pays up to 6 months or up to 1 year. Prices vary depending on what we select. The occupational classes, class 1 is like your accountants, office people. Class 2 is like your truck drivers, your farmers, your mechanics, your backhoe operators, that type of thing. The air ambulance, this is where the plan is not very strong. The air ambulance is only $500 and the ground ambulance is only $100. This is the one thing that I wish they would change about this plan. However, I found a way around this. For just a little bit more money per month, I group you the plan in with an out-of-pocket expense plan. And I can customize that to offer you $2,500 first hospital admission, $5,000, $6,350. So I really got you covered when I group the out-of-pocket expense with this. So if you do need an air ambulance, you're covered. You can use those funds. The accidental death, it depends if you're a 1 unit or a 2 unit. Obviously, the 2 unit is slightly more expensive. I personally have the 2 unit plan. Accidental death, the $50,000. It's also emergency room treatment, pays you $200. Hospital admission, $1,000 per day up to 180 days. Think about how many bills that'll pay, especially if you have this along with the income disability, huge. Hospital confinement is $200 per day. Again, grouped together with the out-of-pocket expense plan, though, this actually comes up to $450 per day. So you're basically getting paid to sit there in the hospital and get better. ICU, a little bit more, $400 with the out-of-pocket protection plan. It goes up to like $650. Your physician's office, let's say you get into an accident, you wait like a lot of us do, and then you're like, oh crap, I need to go see my doctor. As long as you're within that 60 days from the date of the accident took place, you can go see your physician or urgent care and we'll pay you $50 to do it. Okay. Some burns, there's different degrees of burns at different amounts of money that you can get. Emergency dental work, get popped in the mouth by a horse. We've all been there. We've all had it happen, at least if you train horses. $300 if you need a new crown, $100 if you need to have a tooth pulled. Ugh. Fractures, broken bones, 50 to 5,000, depending on what's fractured, what's broken, what part of your body. When you go ahead and get the plan, they have a little bit more of a breakdown. This is just an informative video. Lodging, $100 per night. This covers your family member if they need to, let's say you are out of town and you get hurt and a family member has to fly down to the hospital to take care of you. We'll give you $100 a night. Eye injuries, $200, knee cartilage torn, $1,000, and we'll also give you $200 for that exploratory service. Your transportation, let's say you're at one hospital, you need to be moved to a different hospital, $300 we're going to pay you. Most transportation, like if you're here in Maryland and you need to go to Virginia, I can tell you right now an independent transport company is going to charge about $600. They usually have a flat fee and then they have a per mile fee. So it kind of depends. So this will cover about half of that. Surgery, let's just say you have to go in for some open abdominal surgery. We're going to give you $1,000. Exploratory surgery, $100. Epidural pain management. This is on or off the job. $100 paid no more than twice per covered accident. Physical therapy. Now, this is a good part of the plan that some accident plans don't cover. They're going to pay $35 per treatment per day. All right. This is really, really huge. It's really important to price shop physical therapy. You don't have to go where the doctor tells you to go. You can go anywhere you want. You're paying the bill. Rehab, $150 per day, limited to 30 days. Hospital confinement and limited to a calendar year maximum of 60 days. Yeah, that's pretty normal. Prosthetics, $750 once per covered accident per covered person. Okay, so we'll give you $750 towards the cost. Sometimes not that great, but sometimes it can help a lot. The accidental dismemberment, $625 to $40,000, depends on where. If you lose a finger or a toe, the rates are going to be a lot lower. If you, however, lose a hand or an arm, you're talking big money. If you lose a leg, you're talking $40,000. Appliances, these are like your back braces, different types of wheelchairs, leg brace, walkers, crutches, $125. I can tell you right now, if you go into any medical facility or pharmacy, chances are you can buy these used. And it doesn't matter if they cost you $50 or $80, the plan's going to pay $125. You're going to get a check for $125. It doesn't pay actual expenses. You have 10 days to look over the policy, make sure you're happy with it. Like I said before, Manhattan Life, once you lock in this rate, like mine, $26, okay, doesn't change until I'm 70. Until I'm 70, doesn't change. And the great thing about these plans is that we're always getting better. They're always increasing their benefits, and my rate's locked in. It's not going to change. Another great thing about Manhattan Life is that if you're a smoker, they're not going to ding you for that. A lot of companies, if you're a smoker, your rate is almost 40% higher. Manhattan Life doesn't ask that question. So this is why I place a lot of my smoking people on Manhattan Life plans. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Please contact me, subscribe to my channel. You can always reach me on my email address or my cell phone. All my information is on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.